Hey everyone, Billy Dore here. Welcome to this quick demo of a Viral Studio. So we'll quickly log in here. And while we're doing that, just to let you know, Viral Studio allows people to find viral content on the internet and then take that viral content, add their affiliate links, their CPA links, their squeeze page links, and then get traffic, post those viral content pieces to the different social media platforms on the internet in order to get traffic. So let me show you how it works here. So once we log in, we're presented with this dashboard, which is a familiar dashboard on our software. So as you can see on the main dashboard, you can see how many image campaigns someone's posted, how many video campaigns or text campaigns. So somebody can click on campaigns, click on a new campaign, and they can then find different types of content. So they can find video-based content from YouTube or Dailymotion, okay, by clicking on this link down here. So if they type in, for example, make money online, you can see it actually shows you all the different videos for that particular keyword. Okay, so you can click on preview to see the actual video. As well as that, you can just close this. Okay, just click on preview. Okay, let me just show you the video anyway. So you can see, okay, once it loads up. Okay, it's taking a bit of time to load here. Alright, so you can see how many views this particular video has got and so on. Okay, so this one hasn't got very many. But you can go back and choose a different video. If you go to the button that says Dailymotion or YouTube, and you see it takes a bit of time to actually display the thumbnails. But if you type in, click on YouTube and then type in make money online, what it does is it pulls in the videos as well as how many views the videos has. Okay, so you can see this video here has about nearly 3 million views and so on. Okay, so that's one of the things you can do with it. You can find viral content here with videos that have a lot of views. You can then find images from, click on the image tab, you can find images from Pixabay or Flickr. Okay, you click on that same deal, you type in a keyword and it will pull the images from Flickr or Pixabay. And then as well as that, you can find things from Twitter or Google as well. Okay, and you can, once you've actually selected what you want to share, you can actually fill out this campaign builder. You can insert your affiliate link here. You can schedule when you want the post to be sent out onto social media. And then, before you can post it, obviously you need to connect your social accounts. So you can go to the video accounts, so YouTube, Dailymotion, social sharing accounts. You've got all these different accounts here, image accounts. You've got Tumblr and IMGUR, as well as you've got some more accounts in the profile section. You've got Blogger, Reddit, LiveJournal, Instapaper, and a few others. Okay, so as well as that, you've got some other cool features. Some of these features are only available in the upgrade edition of the software. But in a nutshell, that's what Viral Studio allows you to do. Allows you to find viral content from YouTube, Dailymotion, Google, Twitter, Flickr, Pixabay. Create a campaign around that particular content, reshare, repost that content to social media with your own affiliate link, and start getting traffic and sales. I hope you enjoyed this quick demo, and I'll speak to you very soon.